Imagine a world where a single treatment could change the course of a debilitating disease forever. AbbVie is on the brink of making this a reality with their groundbreaking AAV gene therapies, designed to target the root causes of diseases with just one dose. From tackling age-related macular degeneration to combating Duchenne muscular dystrophy, their innovative Navi platform is paving the way for long-lasting, life-changing treatments. In collaboration with industry giants like AbbVie, RegenXBio is not only pushing the boundaries of biotechnology, but also offering investors a glimpse into a potentially transformative future. Join us as we explore how RegenXBio is revolutionizing gene therapy and what it means for patients and investors alike. RegenXBio is making waves in the biotech world with its innovative adeno-associated virus therapies, developed using their proprietary NAV platform. These therapies aim to provide one-dose treatments that address the root causes of diseases, offering potentially long-lasting effects. Their pipeline is particularly exciting, featuring promising candidates for major conditions such as age-related macular degeneration, Duchenne muscular dystrophy, and Hunter syndrome. Key pipeline candidates include ABBV RGX-314, RGX-2002, and RGX-121, which are showing promising clinical data and target significant markets. A noteworthy aspect of their strategy is their collaboration with AbbVie on ABBV RGX-314, a treatment for wet AMD and diabetic retinopathy. This partnership not only includes potential milestone payments, but also taps into a substantial market opportunity. RegenXBio Inc. Nasdaq leverages its NAV platform to create AAV treatments tailored to both common and rare diseases. The AAV vectors are designed to deliver gene therapies precisely to specific cells, enhancing efficacy while minimizing adverse immune responses. With its strategic collaboration with AbbVie and a strong pipeline, RegenXBio is positioned well in the market. Despite the typical risks associated with biotech investments, the company's intellectual property potential, total addressable market, and promising clinical trial results make it a compelling, strong buy for investors who understand these inherent risks. RegenXBio is a clinical-stage biotech company that focuses on developing adeno-associated virus gene therapies for both common and rare diseases. Founded in 2008 and based in Rockville, Maryland, RegenXBio has created a proprietary nucleic acid vector technology platform. This platform is designed to generate one-dose AAV therapies that offer lasting therapeutic effects by targeting the root causes of diseases. AAVs are viral vectors that deliver gene therapy directly to target cells, enhancing efficacy and reducing unwanted side effects, such as adverse immune responses. Interestingly, AAVs cannot replicate, so they don't cause diseases themselves. Additionally, RegenXBio licenses selected NAV vectors to other biotech companies. Their diverse pipeline includes programs for retinal, neuromuscular, and neurodegenerative diseases. A standout in their retinal research is ABBV RGX-314, developed for wet age-related macular degeneration and diabetic retinopathy. This therapy uses the NAV AAV8 vector to deliver a gene encoding a monoclonal antivascular endothelial growth factor antibody fragment directly to retinal cells. VEGF is a protein that, in these diseases, promotes abnormal blood vessel growth under the retina, leading to vision loss. ABBV RGX-314 aims to inhibit VEGF, preventing the proliferation of these abnormal vessels. The therapy is currently being studied in Phase 2 and Phase 3 trials for wet AMD, with plans to submit for regulatory approval in late 2025 and early 2026. Its research for treating DR is in Phase 2. This innovative approach highlights RegenXBio's potential to make significant strides in gene therapy and transform treatments for debilitating diseases. RegenXBio's neuromuscular program features RGX-202, a promising gene therapy currently in Phase 2 trials for Duchenne muscular dystrophy. RGX-202 employs an AAV8 vector to deliver a therapeutic transgene that addresses the genetic mutations causing DMD. These mutations lead to the faulty encoding of dystrophin, a crucial protein for muscle fiber integrity. RGX-202 aims to produce a shortened yet functional version of dystrophin, known as microdystrophin. thereby restoring muscle cell function. This one-dose therapy targets the disease's root cause and holds the potential to halt DMD progression. In addition, Rejen Bio is advancing RGX-121 for neurodegenerative diseases. This therapy is currently in a pivotal phase 1-2-3 campsite trial. Using the AAV9 vector, RGX-121 delivers a functional copy of the gene needed to produce the lysosomal enzyme iduronate 2-sulfatase. A deficiency in IDS leads to mucopolysaccharidosis type 2, or Hunter syndrome, characterized by the accumulation of glycosaminoglycans in cells, causing cognitive regression and other neurological issues. RGX-121 aims to restore IDS production, reduce GAG buildup, and prevent cognitive decline. This therapy has received multiple FDA designations, including Orphan Drug, Rare Pediatric Disease, Fast Track, and Regenerative Medicine Advanced Therapy. The company plans to submit a biologics license application for RGX-121 in 2024. In March 2024, Rejen Bio and AbbVie released 2-year data for ABBV RGX-314, a gene therapy for wet AMD, showing its safety and efficacy as a subretinal injection. Data from 1-200 patients worldwide will aid in developing this one-time treatment, potentially establishing ABBV RGX-314 as the new standard of care. AbbVie initially paid $370 million for the rights to this drug in 2021, with the agreement including up to $138 billion in additional milestone payments and equal profit sharing from U.S. distribution. AbbVie will handle commercialization outside the U.S. and pay Rejen Bio a percentage of revenue as royalties. RGX-202 has shown promising results in DMD for both pediatric and older patients, maintaining a reasonable safety profile. Safety is crucial, particularly after Pfizer's recent tragic incident where a young boy suffered cardiac arrest a year after receiving a microdystrophin gene therapy for DMD. Despite this, Rejen Bio is confident in RGX-202's safety, noting no severe adverse events so far. This trial, emphasizing safety, began in early 2023 and is expected to be completed by late 2025. Overall, Rejen Bio's innovative approaches and strategic collaborations position it well to transform gene therapy treatments for a range of debilitating conditions. During Rejen Bio's earnings call, the company highlighted significant progress toward pivotal trials, particularly for ABBV RGX-314. They projected the global market potential for ABBV RGX-314 to be around $17 billion over the next 5 years. The U.S. anti-VEGF market alone is valued at $4.5 billion annually, serving approximately 800,000 wet AMD patients who receive treatments every 4 to 16 weeks. The broader U.S. retinal disease market is expected to reach $11.5 billion, with the EU and Japan contributing an additional $4.5 billion and $1 billion, respectively. Additionally, 20 million patients in the US, EU, and Japan suffer from diabetic retinopathy. The global market potential for DMD and MPS II is estimated at $7 billion and $1 billion, respectively. If Rejen Bio successfully develops and commercializes its drug candidates, it stands to tap into these vast total addressable markets. From a valuation perspective, Rejen Bio currently trades at a market cap of $693.5 million, positioning it as a medium-sized pre-product biotech company. Despite not having product revenues in the near future, the company benefits from ongoing royalty revenues from Zolgensma. Additionally, there's a potential $200 million milestone payment from AbbVie upon dosing the first patient in a pivotal trial for suprachoroidal delivery. This expectation aligns with Seeking Alpha's projection of Rejen Bio, generating about $244.9 million in revenues by 2025, translating to a forward price-to-sales ratio of 2.8, which is relatively cheap compared to the sector median, forward PS multiple of 3.7. Rejen Bio maintains a strong financial position with $113 million in cash and equivalents and $225.7 million in marketable securities, totaling $338.7 million in readily accessible liquidity. After raising $140 million through equity, The company's quarterly cash burn rate is estimated at $56.1 million, implying an annual burn rate of $224.4 million. This gives RegenXBio a cash runway of about 1.5 years, enough to finance its operations until late 2025. In summary, RegenXBio is making significant strides in its pivotal trials, particularly with ABBV RGX-314, which holds substantial market potential. The company's financial health, bolstered by strong liquidity and strategic partnerships, positions it well to advance its promising gene therapy candidates. If successful, RegenXBio could transform treatment paradigms in several major disease areas, tapping into multi-billion-dollar markets. Overall, RegenXBio seems to be in strong financial shape, especially after the recent capital raise. Their research programs are making solid progress through regulatory pathways, with ABBV RGX-314, RGX-202, and RGX-121 standing out as their most promising candidates. ABBV RGX-314, in particular, benefits from notable support from AbbVie. This support, combined with steady royalty payments from Zolgensma and a potential $200 million milestone payment from AbbVie, reinforces RegenXBio's long-term viability. Furthermore, its low price-to-sales ratio compared to peers suggests it's undervalued, despite numerous upcoming catalysts in 2024 and 2025. Thus, a strong buy rating seems justified for RGNX. However, it's important to consider that a significant portion of the forecasted 2025 revenues hinges on the successful progress of RGX-314. While this looks promising, its safety data is still speculative until the completion of its phases 2 and 3 trials. Any major setbacks could delay or negate the $200 million milestone payment. A critical factor is strong buy rating. If these revenues drop significantly, it might force RegenXBio into another equity offering in 2025. Given their substantial cash burn rate of $244.9 million annually, the company is heavily reliant on their research progressing smoothly. In conclusion, RegenXBio is a strong biotech company with a diverse product pipeline. They have a steady stream of royalty revenues and a potential substantial milestone payout in 2025. Following the recent capital raise, their balance sheet is well positioned to support high investment in late-stage research and development. While there are inherent risks in biotech investments, RegenXBio's significant IP potential, total addressable market, and promising clinical trial data support a strong buy rating for informed investors.